What's up, guys? We're back with another 2-minute Tuesday. That was not achieved, but here we are.
Yep.
And we're back here with another Corvette video, and this time
Today we're going to show you how to activate competitive driving mode, which goes hand in hand with active handling, which is a feature that C5s had 1998, mid-1998 on, and I want to say all the 2001 and above ones have it. And so this is a base non-Z06, and it does have competitive driving mode. And so one other thing is that in newer cars, when you press the traction button on or off once, it'll turn off traction but leave on stability control. And for this, it's the opposite, which is when you press the button once, it'll turn everything off completely. And if you hold the button, it'll go into competitive driving mode, which in my experience basically just feels like traction off. Like if you try sliding it,
that's cool.
yeah. If you try sliding it at all, it will slam and pump the brakes on you. So competitive driving mode, in my opinion, is basically just traction off, but let's show you how to do it.
Right now, let's hop in the whip. Now we are in the whip. About to transfer the camera over.
Wait, hold on.
To Mans. Oh.
All right, so now that we are inside the C5, you will find this active handling button right here. And so if you press it once, you will see that active handling is off. This means everything is off. You press it once and it will bull. And so I just pressed it once and now it's back on. So to go into competitive driving mode, what I'm gonna do is press it and hold it. So I'm about to press it and I'll show you. There you go, competitive driving mode. It was like 4 or 5 Mississippis or something. Not bad at all. Now you can do a burnout but not slide out. Yeah.
Well, that's it for this 2-minute Tuesday. Hopefully you learned something and you can take your car out to slide and all that stuff.
One traction off is the best thing ever, but if you're trying to stay more safe, use that competitive mode.
Yeah, so hope you enjoyed the video and we'll see ya
in the next one.